or we are hoping your support, okay? For your support. Kasi
yeah,
po,
para smile, love, smile.
Okay. So mag-subscribe daw kayo. Hi everyone, it's me Sir Jessam. And welcome back to our channel. Hi everyone! So ito po sa lahat ng aming mga followers ni Sir Jessam. So gusto naming pagpatuloy yung aming vlogging career. Kumbaga ba? Charot! dito sa aming YouTube. Okay? Or sa YouTube. So I'm hoping or we're hoping mga ma'am and sir na
support.
yes, I'm hoping or we are hoping your support, okay? For your support. So nag-hope po kami ng mga suporta ninyo. And then mga ma'am and sir, sa nakikita nyo po, hindi po kami masyadong naglalahad or nagpapakita ng aming mga buhay, no, daily life, no, sa Facebook. Kumbaga, kasi ako lang po ang nag-a-advise doon. Pero dito po sa aming YouTube channel, dito po ninyo makikita yung mga daily vlog namin. Kasama po namin si Bibi Gios. Say hi! Hi everyone! Pakisuporta po kami dito mga answer. Kasi yeah, po, para
smile, love, smile!
Okay. So mag-subscribe daw kayo. Yeah. Mga ma'am sir. So dito nyo po makikita masubaybayan. Masubaybayan ang aming buhay. Okay? So what's your I'm with my wife and my
guys, please support our new career. Now, please support us in our vlogging journey as a family. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video.
Okay.
Please like, subscribe, and everything. Good vibes. Thank you so much. Subscribe everyone.
Okay, maraming salamat po everyone, and we're hoping to we're hoping your from your support. For your support. Ano ba to? I love you everyone. And please please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sir Jessam. Okay? If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Okay? So God bless everyone and thank you all.
Bye.
See you soon.